In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add file upload in Lovable Dev. By the end, you'll have a clean upload experience that accepts images, PDFs, and documents, saves the files to storage, and writes the file's URL to your database, all with a single instruction. Open your project in Lovable, then use the project's command input to tell the assistant exactly what you want. Type Add a file upload component that lets users upload images, PDFs, and documents. Save files to storage and store the file URL in the database. That one sentence clearly describes the UI you need and the data flow you expect. Lovable will scaffold the UI and storage flow automatically. It will place a file upload component onto your page and configure it to accept common image formats, PDFs, and typical document types. Behind the scenes, it wires up the storage connection so uploaded files are saved to your project's storage, and it generates the logic that takes the resulting file URL and persists it to your database. You don't have to hand code the uploader, the storage API calls, or the database insert. The assistant assembles those pieces for you. Once the scaffold completes, you'll see a ready-to-use upload field. It typically supports drag and drop and a standard file picker, and it provides progress and error messages so users know what's happening. When a user selects a file, Lovable streams it to storage, receives the URL that points to the stored file, and then records that URL in your database alongside the rest of your record data. That URL is what you'll later use to display the image, link to the PDF, or let users download the document. A few tips as you work with the generated component. Keep file types focused on what your app truly needs to reduce storage bloat and improve safety. Consider size limits to prevent very large uploads from impacting performance. It's also a good idea to store the MIME type and file size with the URL so you can render or validate files appropriately later. If your app has authenticated users, make sure your storage and database rules align with your access model and use signed or restricted URLs when you need tighter control. That's it. With a single, clear instruction, Lovable handles the component, the storage pipeline, and the database right for you, so you can move on to displaying those files or building the rest of your feature with confidence.